Hey everybody, it's Ty from K2 Data Science and Engineering. In this video, we're going to scrape the entire blog and store our data so we can access it in the future and share it with the dashboard. So in order to extract out all the categories, what we'll want to do is basically iterate through each one of these links. So all of them have a similar format. It's the URL category and then the name of the category. And so you can see some of them, alright, so all of them actually match up with their names except editing is with post-production. So what you can do is you can either pull down this page, scrape and find all the links for the categories in the top bar, and then what you do is scrape each category and then scrape each article in each category. And that's basically the logic. Basically, we'll just loop through every category. So let's take a look at the code. Again, we've just created a new article store that's just going to replace the one we had before so we can store all the articles. Here, I've simply manually written all the category names. If you wanted to make it more automated, you would simply scrape the category navigation at the top and extract these out using string manipulation or regex or anything like that. So what we do is we just run these two lines of code. What we're going to do is we're just going to loop through the category in this category list, and we'll create a URL. So it'll simply be blog.frame.io/category plus the category, and then we'll print that which category we're parsing, and then we'll parse the category. So this parse category function is the one we defined here. So check each category, find all the articles. If there's more pages, go through that. With all the articles, it will parse all the articles based on the functions we created before. So just going back to that. So that's really all it does. We can run this. It's going to take quite a while since it will have to pull down every single article. And you can see these are just the logs from the different functions. I will pause the video and then restart it once this is done running. Alright, so the script is done running. We have all our articles parsed. We can check the length of the store, so it'll be 192 articles. We can take a look at the first item. So we have our author, our categories, the date, image count, and so forth. And at the end, we want to export this. And the reason we want to export it is just so we have it stored in a flat file rather than just variables in memory. Now, we're just going to use JSON here because we're eventually going to put it on a web dashboard, but you can use Pickle or another type of Python-specific storage format if you would like. Here we're simply just importing the JSON package, then we're just opening a reference to this file. So in this directory I have a data folder, and I'm going to call this file articles.json. I'm going to write the data to this file. Basically, I'm just going to run the command json.dump. I'm going to dump our list into this file. Now once that's done, that's stored there. So now I can import it in another notebook or with another file or from a web dashboard. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll start computing some basic analytics.